Good morning, all. Today you will write your argument essays so that you can write a strong and convincing argument. I will know I have it when I have written my essay. So in Schoology, I'm going to put your assignment at the top of your Schoology page. It'll be on all of them. Here's third period. So add assignment, Unit 3, midterm essay. And then I'm going to attach a OneDrive assignment like we did last time. All right, this is going on your third quarter. It is a summative assignment. I am going to put a rubric on here just like I did for the Unit 2 essay. I will add that when I get to school this morning. All right, so when you click on the assignment, you're going to have a My Document button, and then you're going to have an Edit Document button, and you'll push Edit Document. Like I used to tell my students when we were in virtual, sometimes it'll not be connected to OneDrive. So down here, it'll say sign in. So sign in. If it says it's something like hold on or wait too fast, just close the tab, come back and try to push edit again. But that's what you're going to be doing today. Remember, the Tuesday's assignments, not quite awake yet. I put the PowerPoints in this folder. So see where it says, I'm going to move this. So under Unit 3 daily work, so you'll go quarter 3, Unit 3 daily work, and then I put the PowerPoints for this week. So if you want to go look at yesterday's PowerPoint, you can click there. And then you just go through and you can click the videos if you want to go back and look at the parts of an essay. Again, yesterday, all you were doing with this Organize Your Ideas is you were color coding the parts using this example text so you know what to plan. So again, yesterday you collected evidence, you looked at the parts of an essay to get ready, you were supposed to start planning. Today you're going to write. Tomorrow we're going to revise what we wrote. And so I'll put the videos in there. If you go to tomorrow's PowerPoint, there's no videos because I haven't made them yet. All right, so good luck. Remember, you always have this message button if you want to send me a message. You can either send me a message up here, or you can go to members, click on my name, and you can send me a message that way. I'm pretty sure you can also click my email. I think my email's in here somewhere. See, you can click my email, send me an email. So, happy writing. I look forward to seeing the content that you produce.